Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Anu. In the previous video, we have just started discussing about the list. Let's discuss about few built-in functions available to do the list modifications. Do the list modifications and all. What are they? They are called core methods. Core methods. What are the core methods available in list? The first one is called append. Append to add any items. Add any item to list. The second one which is available is extend. Extend. Third one which is available is insert. These all are to add elements. Add new elements to list. And the fourth one we can call it as pop. Fifth one we can call it as remove. Sixth one we can call it as delete options or del list or del. Here we need to give the index number. That we'll discuss later what other things to be specified. And seventh one is clear. Seventh one is clear. Let's go ahead and see one by one. Let's remove this one as of now. I need to discuss a little bit more about this one. Suppose if you want to append something, you want to give append. Suppose if you want to append some element, then we have to give the append value. What value we need to append? Here, let's take some another color here. We need to give value. If you see any list, okay, see any list, we have v1 value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. value n. Each one will have some index also. Index we can say it as 0, 1, 2, etc. n. These are the index values. We have the values and index number. Value and index number. Based on these two parameters, we can update or modify this list. If it is append, then we have to give this value. If it is an extend, then also we have to give this value. We will see the difference between append and extend while we do this practical. Insert. Suppose insert means I want to insert in between two elements. Then at that time we have to give two. We have to give the index number first, so that it will go to that index number. Then it will give us value. We have to give index and value. Pop. If you want to pop some element, then we just need to give this index value. It will remove that value from that index. Remove again. Remove means we have to give the value actually. Suppose if you want to remove the apple, just remove the apple, not the index. If you want to specify index, then we have to give the pop. Delete list, then we have to give the index value. Let's remove this one. Delete list, we have to give this index. Then clear. There is nothing to be specified in clear. It will clear that particular list. Let's go ahead and see them in practical so that it will be more clear. Suppose, yeah, I have this list here. We'll create a new list. List is L equal to, I don't need all of them. Only 3 of them as of now I need. And if you type L, you'll get this one. Now I'm going to append this one. L dot append. Okay, orange. I'm going to append this one. Or let's see what is the new value. Yeah, it is appended orange. Now it is added at the end. Now if you want to L dot extend, okay, L dot extend, I'm just giving a second list. Initially in the previous append, I'm giving only one item. Here I can give more than one item as a list. I'm giving this one, then execute L again. Okay, here is the list. There's L dot extend. Let's try to give this extend value. Extend means this second list I'm going to extend with this initial one. Let's see whether it will work or not. L is not different. Yeah, yes, that's true. We have restarted the one. This is L, apple, banana, cherry. I'm going to append one orange there. Now this is one. Now I'm going to extend this one. Now if you see L, just added a few more content that we have already added from the previous list. So we have added a new list. If you want to add a list of content, then we have to do extend. If it is a single element we need to add to the list, then we have to use the append. Then let's go ahead and see what is then. I need to insert some value. Okay, L dot insert, not apple. Suppose at third index I want to insert, what is that, kiwi. I want to add kiwi. In this case, 0, 1, 2, 3. In between cherry and orange, first one cherry and first orange, this kiwi will be inserted. Let's see. Yeah. See, in between cherry and first orange, the kiwi has been. This is what the insert means. While inserting, we need to give the index value and the key value. Both we need to specify. These are the options available to add any item, one or more than one item into the list. Now we are going to remove some items from this list. L dot pop. Let's see what it is going to do. If you are just specifying L dot pop, it is removing from the last. It is moving from the last item. If you do this again, it will remove mango. If you do this again, it will do the orange. It will do this again, it will remove orange again. Once again, it has removed kiwi. Once again, it has removed cherry. Once again, banana removed. Once again, apple removed. Once again, it will get pop from the empty list. It has removed all the items. We don't want to write again, so just type L dot extend. Okay, yes, I have added them back. We need to practice more, that's why I added. Then L, we have everything is available. Now, if you want to remove some element from some index, then L dot pop, then we can give zeroth index. It has to move apple. It is in the zeroth index, we have the apple has to remove. If you are not specifying the pop, it is going to remove from the last. If you are specifying any index value, it is going to remove from that particular index. So if you see L, we don't have the apple here. In the initial one, we have the apple at zeroth index. Now we don't have the apple. Now next one we are going to see is remove. Okay, L dot remove. Not the apple this time. Apple is not there. Okay, let's see apple, because this is not available. It will throw exception. Okay, it will throw exception. Why it is copied everything? Apple. Okay. As of now, if you see this one, as of now, we don't have the apple here. We are trying to remove that apple from that particular list. It will throw exceptions of value. Remove of index is not in list because apple is not there. And instead of this one, L, I am going to remove L dot remove banana. It will remove banana from there. If you see this L, now banana is removed, only cherry, kiwi, and rest of the list items are available. Now let's try del list of, we need to give this index value. Okay, suppose 2, second index. Okay, if you are specifying like this, 0, 1, 2, it has to remove this orange. Let's see what it is getting removed. Just remove the second index. Now again L. See, the second orange has been removed. There is del. Now we have the last one, L dot clear. L dot clear. No. L dot clear. What it is going to do, it is going to clear all the items. If you type L again, you have empty list. These are the common functions available to do any modifications in the list, either to add or remove items from the list. In the next video, we are going to see the slicing operations in list. Before slicing operations, we are going to see nested list, and from the nested list, how can we do the inner list operations and all. Then we will see how to do shallow copy and deep copy in case of list. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.